wind down the back. Polished leather boots, a silver tip cane, walking through the mud like it don't feel the rain. Every lady stops, every head turns around when that sharp-dressed man comes stepping into town. Yeah, he's sharp as a switchblade, smooth as red wine, cutting through the crowd, looking so fine. From his handmade collar to his gold watch chain, he's a high-class rebel running in the fast lane. Got that country blues swagger, got that rock and roll soul, a dangerous gentleman, out of control. Creased up trousers, a Stetson on his head, leaving all the gossipers wishing they were dead. He don't say a word, just flashes a grin. That's exactly where the trouble is about to begin. Diamond on his finger, smoke in the air. He's the king of the night and he just don't care. Yeah, he's sharp as a switchblade, smooth as red wine, cutting through the crowd, looking so fine. From his handmade collar to his gold watch chain, he's a high-class rebel running in the fast lane. Got that country blues swagger, got that rock and roll soul, a dangerous gentleman, out of control. They say clothes don't make the man, but they sure help the ride when you got that kind of rhythm burning deep inside. He's a midnight high roller, a dapper outlaw king, and he knows exactly how to make that guitar string sing. Yeah, he's sharp as a switchblade, smooth as red wine, cutting through the crowd, looking so fine. From his handmade collar to his gold watch chain, he's a high-class rebel running in the fast lane. Got that country blues swagger, got that rock and roll soul, a dangerous gentleman, out of control. Yeah, look at him walk, sharp as a switchblade, smooth, button up that coat,